Welcome to the Go Legal Yourself podcast, episode 48, title 15 Business Laws Every Entrepreneur Should Know. Welcome to the Go Legal Yourself podcast. This show is about knowing the legal life cycle of your business. I'm your host, Attorney Kelly Bagler, the Queen of Business Law. You can interact with us on social media and definitely do find us on the web at golegalyourself.com. At Go Legal Yourself, we look out for your best interest, and one of the most important ways we do that is to bring you knowledge so you can avoid those legal pitfalls and run your business with success. Now, for the past two episodes 46 and 47, I have been talking to you about the 15 business laws every entrepreneur should know. And today will be the final 5 laws that I'll be talking to you about, and they will be 11 through 15. So number 11, Can Spam Act. Did you know there is an email law? It's true. The Can Spam Act regulates commercial emails. I'll say that again. The Can Spam Act regulates commercial emails. So when you're sending out emails and you're sending out newsletters and you're selling a product or service, that email will fall within this act. The law requires honesty and bans deceptive subject lines. So you can't really put in the subject line, win $1 million, unless you're not willing to provide $1 million. In addition, you must tell recipients where you're located. That's right. You have to tell them where you're located as far as state goes, as far as city goes, but you do not have to give them the actual address, but you do have to let them know where you are located. And you have to give them an easy way to opt out of your email messages. That has been the law on the books for a while now. And again, it just protects consumers. I'm sure you've received numerous emails as well, just spam emails. And you just hoping that those emails would stop. So you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you click the link that says unsubscribe. So that is what this act is saying. You have to give recipients a way so they can unsubscribe to your emails. Don't take it personally. It's something that maybe someone's not interested or they're just not your target market. The ones that are interested, they will follow you. Trust me on that one. Law number 12, Telemarketing Sales Rule. If you plan to sell products by mail, phone, or online, you'll need to brush up on your FTC's telemarketing rules, Federal Trade Commission. Under this law, businesses must ship products within 30 days, provide delivery notices if a product is delayed, and give refunds if an order cannot be filled. Those are musts. You'll also want to check out the rules surrounding the Do Not Call registry. These are all pertaining to business owners that are selling products and or maybe even a service. Law number 13, Sales Tax Collection. Owners of a brick and mortar storefront charge a sales tax that's required in that specific area. But what if you have an online business? According to the FTC, again, the Federal Trade Commission, if your business has a physical presence in a state, such as a store, an office, or a warehouse, you must collect applicable state and local sales tax. Of course, some states don't have any sales tax. You'll want to read the FTC guidelines. Check with your state's revenue agency to make sure you comply with the laws. You can also ask your accountant or CPA about the sales tax, whether it is applicable to you or not for your business. Law number 14, International Sales Laws. With a website, any business can sell their products internationally. It instantly opens your business to a new audience. But that exposure comes with regulations. What doesn't, right? It poses questions about shipping, various taxes, and customs. Just the other day, I had shipped a box of clothes to my nieces in England, and it had to go through customs even though they were just clothes, and you specify on the sheet that they are clothes, but they'll hold it in customs until they are satisfied. So you want to make sure if you are actually doing business internationally and you are providing or selling products internationally and shipping them, that do take that into account, that time will be spent in customs as well. The FTC has a guideline to help you navigate the international waters. Better still, make sure you speak with your CPA or accountant. Again, anything to do with sales, taxes, CPA or your accountant is your best bet to reach out to first. Law number 15, data security. If your business collects sensitive personal information from its customers, you must have a sound security plan in place. It could be, say you're asking people to sign up for your newsletter. They have to input their email address, their name, sometimes even their phone number. All of this is sensitive information according to the security data that the FTC has defined. And so you want to make sure that you have a plan where you are protecting this information. Aside from keeping the data under lock and key, you should only collect that information that you need and nothing more. Never, ever, ever collect social security numbers or even credit cards for that matter, unless you have a secured system and you know that it cannot be breached. In that situation, it would be okay for you to collect that information. But again, collecting the information and keeping it secure is the main point here. The FTC has a guide to help businesses put a plan in place. That's handy. You should also listen to episode 7 about website must-haves. That's an important one because everyone, again, has a website. You have to have 3 must-have website things. One is you have to have a privacy policy on your website. 2 is you must have your disclaimers on your website. And 3 is the terms and conditions as to how a person can use your website. Those are extremely important, and trust me, they will keep you out of financial trouble if you actually display them properly and you have the proper verbiage. I hope that these 15 business laws for entrepreneurs was very helpful to you. Go back and listen to episodes 46 and 47 and make sure that you do at least gain some knowledge of these laws because they will impact you as a business owner. And don't forget to download my app from your app stores. It is called Go Legal Yourself. And when you do download the app, you will get a free ebook of my bestseller, Go Legal Yourself. By the way, you can also call the show as well, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Remember, the only way you become successful is if you make today the day you go legal yourself. I am Attorney Kelly Bagler, the Queen of Business Law. It has been a pleasure being your host today. Until next time, cheers to your success.